Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. Today we will briefly discuss about inside the superstar Gracie Bon. Gracie Bon is a Panamanian fashion model, Instagram star, and social media influencer. She gained popularity on social media platforms, especially on Instagram for sharing curvaceous, sizzling photos, videos. She is also famous for being a brand ambassador of Fashion Nova Curve. Gracie grew up in Panama City, Panama along with her parents and siblings. Having been passionate about modeling, fashion, and glamour ever since a child, she decided to be a fashion model. She gained initial fame and recognition on Instagram because of her sizzling and curvaceous photos. Within a short span of time, she gained millions of followers as her photos went viral on social media platforms. With increasing fame on Instagram, various bikinis, sports, apparel, and makeup brands including Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova, Novaman, Savage X Fenty, and more have chosen Gracie as the face of their products. Presently, she is represented by MJ Curve Modeling Agency. Gracie Bon has not shared her exact date of birth as of now, so it is difficult to comment on her age. She is 52-63 tall, and her weight is approximately 95 kilograms. Gracie Bon's net worth as of now, in 2021 is estimated to be more than $400K. Sources of her earnings are modeling, brand promotions, and commercials. Facts: Gracie Bon hails from Panama City, Panama. Red and white are her favorite colors. France is her favorite holiday destination. She likes to play table tennis. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.